Hello, welcome again to Mr. Pierre Reads Aloud. Today I have a really nice story for you, and I hope you enjoy it. It's called Little Excavator by Anna Dewdney. Little Excavator. Here come the big rigs rolling down the street. Thumpa, thumpa, bumpa, bumpa, beat, beat, beat. Can you see little E ready on the spot? He's a little excavator working on the lot. Wham goes the dozer, knocking down the walls. Rumble, rumble, crumble, crumble, fall, fall, fall. Little E is busy, he goes bam, bam, bam. Uh-oh, little excavator, now you're in a jam. Grrrm goes a loader, lifting up the trash. Pusher, pusher, smusher, smusher, smash, smash, smash. Little E tries lifting up some junk, junk, junk. But there goes little excavator, over with a clunk. Drrrm goes a dump truck with a load to lug. Thunka, thunka, clunka, clunka, chug, chug, chug. Little E just wants to lug all day, day, day. Look out, little excavator. Don't get in the way. Brrrr goes a backhoe digging in the dirt. Clang, clang, bang, bang. Work, work, work. Little E is helping too. He can dig, dig, dig. Not yet, little excavator. Someday when you're big. Roar goes a tall crane rising to the sky. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. High, high, high. Little E is stretching. He gets tall, tall, tall. Sorry, little excavator. You're too small. Now there's one last job and the busy day is done. But no big rig can do it. Not a single one. Everybody tries it and it's much too tight. But can it be? Little E fits just right. Good job, little excavator. Time to take a bow. There's work to do just for you here and now. You may be small, little E, but you will grow. You're a mighty little excavator. Go, go, go. The end.